basically what we're doing here, this is actually first day of assessment with public works. And we're assessing the building which has to be taken down to can be repaired. This is actually a pretty historical day. We are going to assess around 10,000 buildings. Here's I am. This is the future so-called dump site. It's going to be a landfill, and there's about the capacity of the 2 million tons of debris, and that's where it's going to be. Here's what I'm doing is the inspection of this particular buildings area, and also working with the engineers. This is our first Miyamoto engineers, about 25 engineers. We're going to end up to about 100 people to avoid to assess feasibility of construction actually. Okay, here basically what happened is there used to be those buildings, a four-story building, and downstairs is a retail, so it's very soft. So what happened is actually the what we call soft story, so everything get and if they cut pancake, that's what happened here. What's happening?
So we were saying about this building. We'll say it's a great tag. There's no damage. It's inhabited. So that's an easy case.
Yeah?
Not like this one.
So this area called the Hugo Chavez apartment complex. And this is the social housing area. They actually victims of the flood happened about 20 years ago. Same thing happened to them again. There's about 196 units here. I would say probably at least 100, maybe 150 of them is total collapse. So what we're going to do here is we are going to create a pilot project, which is a cost-effective, but yet at the same time promote the new technology, a seismically resilient system, create jobs here. That's our plan. You know, look like such a huge disaster here, and it is actually, but I do have a hope, and the reason is because all the engineers we are working with, they are so committed, they are so smart, and they are going to rebuild this country.